Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center.
We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
UMLA ka Nationalist Congress Party lane ke NCP usaleng e sangma menta ka sngi ulatho daga shithi show menteri rangba ka jelaw kontrak kongal sangma bankerpat na ka sarkar bagatanat pulit kadai bankanra ye kinongnya akali pajba lane ki boss khnang banla bante lakam ka jingja accident daga ba ongru balada ki pulit ki lap ikinongnya akali pajba ki buai dei ban knino mardor ki license ki jongki harangkat daga jingdain kuna ga bahe nakaliang usaleng e sangma ulapha ekane ka sithi so menteri rangba hadin baladon ka jingja hagaban riungut ki briu ki ladu e yela ka jingim bar hadu khan riungut ki briu ki laman saujur haga jinghap jongka bus Meghalaya Transport Corporation haka wa riangdi haka snong nangchram haka arkhundai terik mentau benai Habaikran bakilat pathai khubor na kaliang usaleng uloong bahadin ka jingyo jingtip baka bos kabawan natura sa Shillong hagaba babun ki nongsong kali kidai ki khna puli ki badang dei banjam shakhmat haga jingim ka jongki henrei laja ka jingja basosi usaleng uloong bakini ki jingja ki juja manla kapor namar baka sarkar kam jushim khia banpej parman bha ya kinongnya kali pajba ki banya ki kali hakapor bakilabu ai
I have seen lots of checking here and there against, the drivers, but not against the public drivers. So the government should take a serious note so that these incidents will not occur in the future. You see, these young boys and children, they have a future, and they were the leaders of the tomorrow actually. But because of our negligence, they have to suffer, and their family have to suffer. And I send my condolences to all the bereaved family actually. I am so sad today. I can't, I don't have a word to express my feelings, how sad their family would be. Not only this time actually, it is happening. Even few days back also in Purakhasya, a young boy, at the age of 5 years, the class 5, he died. He was, run over by the truck, and another young boy was again run over by the truck, by the exporters because of some politicians and then some, businessmen. Why innocent people has to be, subjected to this kind of incidences actually, which is very wrong. So government should really take in and then serious not on this one. Any drunk driver should be fined heavily or they should be disposed of and then their license should be seized. Not only fined, their license should be seized, you see, and they shouldn't be allowed to drive anymore because we are dealing with the life of people, okay, which is very bad. I was saddened actually when I heard early in the morning that the buses coming from Tura to Shillong, met with an accident, a tragic accident, and then lots of young students died who has a dream actually about doing something, be something in the future. And then the tragic had happened actually because, you see, being in the government, we should take the responsibility. These things might not have happened if some kind of accountability was there from before. This kind of incidences is happening every now and then, and then it's very sad. One time in the same road itself, there was a bus accident. Those who were going for some family function, long time back. And then in the same route itself, I was also, in the government though I was in the opposition, I was raising these particular questions again and again. Why the government should take responsibilities that there is no such checking. For example, the drivers who are taking the, public buses, driving the public buses. The public buses, there are many lives actually. Now, for example, you see, in the flight, all the pilots has to take the breathalyzer first, check whether they are alcoholic or whether they drink or not. But in the state, we don't have such checkings, no accountability at all. I have not seen either in the public buses or in the MTC also, not even a single. But lots of drivers are drinking and driving recklessly, but yet no checking, no fine, no nothing. One of my driver actually here in Secretariat itself, he was so drunk. I was about to meet with an accident. But the public drivers, they are dealing with hundreds of passengers every day. If this kind of measurement can be, some kind of a measurement can be taken against the public drivers, against the transportation, I think it will be good. I am writing one letter, at least some kind of a serious steps should be taken. They should take up actually, because it's our responsibility. The incident that had happened today, it's our responsibility. It's a fault of the government, we can see, because the system was not in place. You see, the system was not in place. If